9 out of 10 car owners are paying for detailing jobs that take minutes to do at home and cost almost nothing. And most people have no clue because mechanics and detailers have quietly built an entire business around secrets you were never supposed to find out. One of the tricks you're about to see can save you over $1,000 in repairs. Another one will make your car look brand new in under 60 seconds. And the final one? That's the one detailers pray you never learn. Don't blink. Every second you watch will literally save you money. Let's start with trick number 17, a trick that turns embarrassment into instant clarity. Trick number 17, toothpaste headlight revival, but done the right way. Imagine you're driving at night, squinting through foggy, yellowed headlights that make you feel like you're driving a candle through a tunnel. Most people panic and buy restoration kits or pay for a shop to fix it. What they don't know, the real fix is already in your bathroom. But here's the part YouTube never tells you. Only old-school non-gel toothpaste works. Put a line of it on your headlight, scrub in slow circles with a damp cloth, and let it sit for 2 minutes. Rinse, walk back, and watch your jaw drop. That's the same technique detailers charge $50 for. They just do it fast and pray you never notice. If that trick surprised you, the next one will blow your mind because mechanics use it literally every day. Trick number 16, slime in the crevices. You know the crumbs and dust hiding in the cracks around your dashboard and vents? The stuff your vacuum refuses to pick up? Detailers spend half their interior cleaning time using something that costs $3, cleaning slime. Press it into every tight spot, buttons, vents, cup holder edges, peel it off, and watch years of dirt come off like peeling old skin. It's satisfying, it's stupidly effective, and it's literally the part they charge you $50 for during a deep clean. Now you can do it in 10 seconds, but that's nothing compared to this next one. Trick number 15, coffee filters for a dust-free dashboard. Your dash collects dust like a magnet, and every time you wipe it with a cloth, it just smears around or leaves lint everywhere. Coffee filters don't. They're lint-free, they grip dust like they're angry at it, and if you add the tiniest drop of olive oil, your dashboard gets a clean, natural shine that actually repels dust for weeks. Detailers use this exact trick. They just call it a premium interior finish, so they can mark it up thousands of %. Trick number 14, the baking soda wheel bomb. Wheels take more abuse than anything else on your car. Professional cleaners barely work, and the ones that do cost a fortune. But detailers secretly mix half a cup of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of dish soap, and warm water to create a paste that dissolves brake dust like it's nothing. Brush it on, rinse, and your wheels will shine like a showroom car. The best part, it costs under $1 to make, but the shop happily charges you $30 to $40 every time. Trick number 13. Paintbrush vent deep clean. Vent dust is the stuff nightmares are made of. Cloths can't reach it, vacuums won't grab it. A $1 foam paintbrush, though, slides between the slats like it was made for it. Add a spritz of interior cleaner, and your vents turn brand new in seconds. Mechanics have been using this forever. They just never tell you because who pays $40 for something a paintbrush can do? Trick number 12. The gas cap hook that saves your engine. Look closely at your fuel door. That little hook you've probably never noticed, it's there to hold your gas cap while you pump. Letting the cap dangle, drag on paint, or touch the dirty pump head lets dirt into your fuel system, leading to clogged injectors or fuel pump failure. A 2-second habit prevents a $3,000 repair bill. 95% of people miss it. You won't anymore. Trick number 11. Vodka windshield magic. Store-bought glass cleaners love to streak. A mixture of water, vodka, and a tiny drop of Castile soap wipes away bugs, grime, and haze instantly, and evaporates streak-free because alcohol dries fast. Wipe with newspaper, not paper towels. It's the same formula shops use, except they call it a premium glass treatment. Yours costs maybe $2. Trick number 10. Baking soda odor assassin. Bad smells hide in the carpet. Dealerships charge you over $100 to remove them. Instead, cover your carpets and seats with baking soda. Leave it overnight, vacuum it in the morning, the odors vanish. Not masked, gone. This is literally what the pros do while claiming they used a specialized deodorizing system. Trick number 8. Dryer sheet bug removal. Summer bug guts can eat through clear coat. Don't scrub like a maniac. A wet dryer sheet dissolves bugs instantly without scratching your paint. Mechanics use this on every car before returning it to customers. They just hope you never ask how it works so they can keep charging for bug removal. Trick number 8. Hydrogen peroxide carpet revival. Mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 2 parts water, spray it on stains, let it sit, scrub, add baking soda for a foaming lift that pulls stains up like magic. Coffee, soda, mud, it all disappears. Detailers charge hundreds for professional shampooing. This costs $2 and works better. Trick number 7. WD-40 sticker vanisher. Got a bumper sticker from 2009 or a political sticker you definitely regret? Spray WD-40, wait 5 minutes, peel. 1 clean pull, no scratches, no mess. Shops charge $50 to remove stickers with the same exact method. Trick number 6. Hand sanitizer for frozen locks. Winter, frozen lock, you're late. Don't blow on your key like a Neanderthal. Dip it in hand sanitizer and slide it in. The alcohol melts ice instantly. Locksmiths know this. They also charge $75 to fix something you can solve with the bottle in your pocket. Trick number 5. The squeegee pet hair pull. Vacuuming pet hair is a joke. Spray your seats lightly with water, then drag a rubber squeegee across the fabric. The hair clumps together like magic. Groomers discovered it. Detailers stole it. Now it's yours. Trick number 4. Magic eraser steering wheel reset. Your steering wheel is disgusting. Years of oils, sweat, and dirt cling to it. A damp magic eraser wipes it back to factory fresh in seconds. It's one of the biggest secret weapons detailers rely on while charging you for a deep sanitizing clean. Trick number 3. Rubber floor mat resurrection. Clean your rubber mats with dish soap and water, rinse, dry, then apply a thin layer of tire shine. It brings back the dark factory black look instantly and protects against cracking. Replace your mats? Why? You just made yours look new for $2. Trick number 2. Cupcake liners in cup holders. The simplest hack in this entire video. Drop silicone cupcake liners into your cup holders. When they get gross, pull them out, rinse them, drop them back in. Your cup holders stay spotless forever. Manufacturers should have done this. Detailers know it. Now you do too. Trick number 1. The unbeatable DIY car wash formula. A 1/4 cup dish soap, a 1/4 cup baking soda, and warm water in a bucket. This mixture cuts through grease, lifts grime, and rinses spotless without leaving residue. It's the same formula detailers use, just without the fancy label. Cost? Under $1. Your car? Sparkling. If even one of these tricks saved you money or opened your eyes to how much you've been overpaying, hit that like button. You'd be shocked how many other hidden car hacks you've never been told. And if you want to save even more money the next time you clean, repair, or maintain your car, watch this next video. It's full of tricks the auto industry definitely doesn't want you to see.